Sakit ang rejection. Mabutang ka sitwasyon nga you're emotionally abandoned and physically rejected. Dear self, choose you even when no one else does. Dili mapud tingali sa tanang panahon, sa kalipay kita mapahimutang sa kapalaran. There will always be moments in life that we are at the wrong place with the wrong people. Humans like to form groups and they can decide to exclude us on reasons that we might find unfair. Sakit jud tinuod, ayaw pugni ang kaguol. Pero when we are rejected, abandoned, the only person we can rely to is ourselves. Kaya manatong motindog sa atong kaugalingon. Dili kinahanglan maglanat sa pagtagad sa ubang tawo. Sometimes, sa panahon nga mag-inusara ta, walay lain mo tabang, and when our backs is against the ropes, we are left with no choice but to fight back. And to fight back, we shall. Kung kani nga video nakatabang o kagaan sa imong dughan, please do give it a heart and share. And if you need more inspirational quotes or a book to help you heal, Dear Self is for you.